Assam heatwave, schools in Kamruk Metro to stay closed for 4 days. Timings changed as mercury scores. IIM Sambalpur to revolutionize education with AI. Government school students in CM Revanth Reddy's constituency complain about worm-infected midday meals. FIA students achieve global recognition. Not a Western concept, says Supreme Court, stress importance of sex education in India. Eighteen Sainik school cadets clear NDA written exam.
Hello everyone, welcome to the Education News Network. I am Pallavi Kulkarni. Today's top news are: in response to a severe heat wave, all schools in Kamruk Metro District including Guwahati will remain closed for 4 days from September 24 to 27. The decision follows report of students suffering from ill health and fainting due to extreme heat and dehydration. The district elementary education officer announced that maximum temperatures reached 37.9 degrees Celsius, significantly above normal. This closure aims to protect students from adverse effect of heat. Additionally, the India Meteorological Department forecasts cloudy conditions with possible rain in the coming days. Previously, school hours had already been adjusted to mitigate the heat exposure. The Assam government has implemented new guidelines to ensure student safety during this ongoing heat wave. Schools will resume operations after September 27, pending any further announcements. In a pivotal ruling on child pornography, the Supreme Court asserted that sex education aligns with Indian values, challenging state bans that leaves adolescents uninformed. The court defined watching child pornography as possession under the POSCO Act and called for the legislative changes to terminologies used, emphasizing that sex education includes topics like consent and healthy relationships. The court noted that its role is reducing sexual violence. Successful initiatives like Jharkhand's Udan program highlights the need for community support. The court refuted claims that sex education promotes promiscuity, citing research showing it actually delays sexual activity. It stressed the importance of age appropriate education to foster healthy attitudes and improve sexual health outcomes in India. IIM Sambalpur announces plans to integrate artificial intelligence into its classrooms on its 10th Foundation Day. This groundbreaking initiative aims to transform the learning experience for students. The institute also celebrated its achievements and launched the second edition of IDE Bootcamp. Several prominent figures from academia and industry attended the event and addressed the gathering. Trivandrum International Academy has celebrated two remarkable achievements by its student. Master Kaushik Patil secured an outstanding SAT score of 1570 and has been accepted into prestigious universities like Ashoka University and Bocconi University. Ms. Vanya Gupta has been selected to join the World Science Scholars Program, a highly distinguished program for mathematically talented students. Both of these students' accomplishments are a testament to the comprehensive and holistic education provided by FIA, which fostering critical thinking, problem solving, and global awareness. Students from the primary and Zilla Parishad school in Komuru village, Kodangal, have raised serious concern over being served meal cooked with worm-infested rice. This issue surfaced in Chief Minister A. Revanth Reddy constituency, prompting Kodangal's former MLA Patnam Narendra Reddy and local leaders to inspect the school. During their visit, they discovered rice bags contaminated with worms in the school storerooms. Videos of the poor quality rice were circulated on social media, where the school staff acknowledged that the rice had been stored for 3 months. Despite repeated complaints from the students, the school staff reportedly failed to take corrective actions. This incident has sparked outrage, with many questioning the quality of food served in the midday meal programs. Captain Manoj Kumar Pandey, UP Sainik School, Lucknow, has achieved a remarkable feat with 18 out of 30 cadets 2024-25 batch clearing the National Defence Academy written exam. This impressive 60% success rate is the highest in the nation. Among the successful cadets, two are girls, contributing to the school's overall achievement. The school has a history of producing top candidates for the NDA, with many cadets successfully clearing both the written exam and the service selection board interview. The school's dedicated faculty, specialized training programs, and upgraded facilities have played a crucial role in this success. That's all for today's news. Signing off with Pallavi Kulkarni. For more detailed news and information, log into our website www.theenn.com. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on the video and subscribe to our channel.